Good morning, students. Today, in continuation to the previous topic of chapter Plants Around Us, we will be taking the next topic, that is tree. I hope you all remembered the parts of the plant that we have discussed, the basic features of the plant. Let's revise it again. The features of the plants were the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flowers. So these were the basic features of the plants that we have discussed earlier. Today we will take our topic trees. You must have seen different trees around you. So when we are talking about trees are very big plants, and that is why we call them as trees. And very special property of these trees is that trees are very tall and they are strong. And why are we calling them strong? Because they have a very hard and thick stem called trunk. As I had shown you that day, a stem which becomes very big of a tree, we call it as a trunk. And these trees can be of different sizes. Like in case of mango, you can see the picture. If you must have seen a peepal tree is a real big one. A coconut tree. A coconut tree is so long and it is having a very big height. A jamun tree is also different. So trees are having different shapes and sizes. And these trees have also many branches on which your leaves and flowers and fruits are growing. And these trees live for many years. So with this we will today go outside and observe some of the trees around us. Now if you see around, you have different trees that I can show you in my surrounding. Now we will closely observe the stem of these trees. If you see the stem of the tree or the stem, it appears to be very thick and it appears to be very hard. And this covering of the stem is known as a bark. It's too hard to touch. Then we had talked about the stem. Other than that, the next feature that we had talked about was the branches of the tree. If you could see how the stem or the trunk has turned up into two parts and it has turned into various branches. In this also tree, you can see the branches of the tree. Along with the branches, you can easily see the leaves of the tree. So with this you can keenly go out and observe the plants and then make your topic very much clear. So students, I hope now you will all keenly observe the plants or the trees around your surrounding. In the previous class, I have asked you to dry the plant in an old notebook. I hope you all have done it. But still, if you have not done it, I will show to you how I have done it for you. I have dried this plant in an old notebook and I have kept it under certain pressure so that it can easily dry up. You can see it's almost dried, but still it will take 2 to 3 days to dry up completely. The same I have done it for one of the leaves that I have shown you that day, and it is almost going to dry up, but still it's going to take time. So same I wanted from you people to do it, so that you can dry it up and then you can paste it in your EVS notebook. I hope you will enjoy this activity and you will do it carefully. Thank you and have a nice day.